So friends, as we all know that the role of counselors is a very important part in this whole process of counseling. So today we are going to see the lecture in three different parts. Our first part is related to role of counselors. Here we are going to study what exactly the counselor does, how the counselor functions. The next very important part is areas of counseling, wherein we will see what are the different areas where the counselors work, the different field areas, and the work which are done by the counselors. Lastly, we are going to have a look at the helping relationship. Basically, helping relationship or forming a relationship with the client is a very important aspect of the whole counseling process. The gist of the counseling or the most important part of our counseling is development of the counselor and counselee relationship. So how this relationship develops, and this relationship is basically about developing trust among each other and also maintaining the confidentiality. So here in today's lecture we are also going to study how helping relationships can be developed, what are the different stages that have been suggested by eminent psychologists with regards to developing good helping relationships.